Do you live in a high-risk area? Do you feel unsafe walking through Ruggles late at night? Are you afraid someone might take your belongings from you? Don't you wish there was an easy way to call for help and to defend yourself? Look no further than the super awesome Foolproof Experience 3000, or the Safe 3000. Protect yourself, your loved ones, and your belongings anywhere, anytime.
Here are some of Safe's most useful features. The device has an alarm system which can be set off by the press of a button. This will trigger a siren sound which should startle the predator and deter him harm from you, and turn on a light that will show your position. Pressing the button will also contact the authorities and send for help right away. An alternate button is available if the user seeks the need to unsettle an attacker, but does not feel threatened enough to contact the authorities. The alarm and LED flash pattern are different than the button that is used to contact the authorities. This button is simply used to scare away any dangerous attempt. If the temperature drops too low or rises too high to a point at which the user would be in danger, an alarm sounds, displaying a too hot or too cold message. This message alerts the user of the predicament and allows him or her the opportunity to find a safer position or deal with the situation.
The device also has a light sensor that will turn on a light in case you are traveling in the dark to guide you, or if you are kept in a dark place against your will. This will aid in your ability to call for help. A bonus feature of this device is a tripwire. As soon as the wire is removed from the device, an alarm will sound and authorities will send help. This feature should be used in the utmost danger as a last resort. We hope to create safer communities not only here at Northeastern, but throughout the world with the Safe 3000. Smart Engineer approved.